Chapter 11. In every sphere of today's so-called sciences, the same feature renders useless all the mental effort people direct towards investigating various fields of knowledge. The feature is that all the scientific investigations of our times evade the essential question demanding an answer, and examine secondary issues, the investigation of which leads to nothing but becomes increasingly complex the further it proceeds. It could not be otherwise with a science that selects its objects at random, rather than according to the demands of a religious outlook defining what man should study and why, and what first and what follows. Thus, for example, in the currently fashionable question of sociology or political economy, there would appear to be only one question: how and why some people do nothing while others work for them. If there is another question, it is inherent in the first: why do people work separately, hindering each other, and not jointly, which would be more profitable? If there were no inequality, there would be no strife. It appears that there should be only this question, but science does not think to pose it, or reply to it, but initiates its discussions from a distance, conducting them in such a way that in no instance can its conclusions resolve or enhance a solution to the basic question. Discussions begin with questions about what was and what is, and the past and the present are regarded as something as unalterable as the course of the heavenly bodies in the sky. Abstract concepts of value, capital, profit, and interest are devised, leading to the complicated game of human intelligence which the disputants have been carrying on for 100 years already. In truth, the question can be resolved very easily and simply. The solution is that since all men are brothers and equals, each person must behave towards others as he would wish them to behave towards him. And the whole problem, therefore, rests on the destruction of a false religious law and the establishment of a true one. But the leading figures of Christendom will not accept this answer. Quite the opposite. They try to conceal the very possibility of such a solution from people, and in order to do so devote themselves to the futile mental activity they call science.